What constitutes an emergency repair call on your garage door? Hi, I'm Dan Watkins, All Four Seasons Garage Doors in Nashville, Tennessee, and today I want to talk to you about what constitutes an emergency repair call on your garage door. There is a lot of times your door might not open, might not shut, might look bad. For some people, that is an emergency call, whether it's 8 o'clock at night or 9 o'clock at night or midnight, and you want somebody out there right away. But remember, you're going to pay a lot more money for that emergency call than if you were to get online and book for first thing in the morning that next day. If you can just hold on and you can wait, or you can call us, of course, and you can set that up even in the evening. So why would you make that phone call? If your door won't go up, listen, you can hit the button on the wall and somebody could help that door up in a lot of situations if you have a broken spring. I'm not telling you to do that. I'm just telling you that's one thing that could be done. It's up to you. Let's say you've got what we call a cable jump. The cable has jumped off one side, the door's crooked, the tracks are bent, the rollers are falling out. It might look like the door is falling down on your car or is gonna fall down on the floor. If that is up, stuck halfway in the middle and you can't get the door down, that could be an emergency call for you. That might be something you just don't feel comfortable about doing, leaving that up during the entire evening, so you give us a call. Now let's say the door won't go down. One of the things you can do, sometimes you just have to override the opener on the wall and you can hold that button down and that might get you down there. The other thing you can do, look for that red emergency release cord on your garage door opener. If you pull that down, you can put the garage door down manually. But anyways, it depends on the person what an emergency call is. Just remember, you're gonna spend some more money on an emergency call. If you can wait until the morning, you're gonna save that money. Either way, we can get out for an emergency or we can get out to you in the morning. All Four Seasons Garage Doors. Get a hold of us at fourseasonsgarages.com.